Nepotism is a term which nowadays is heard more often in Bollywood industry. While nepotism certainly is bad if it gives chances to unworthy actors instead of great talent out there, but then there are some actors with Bollywood background who totally justifies their acting career. It finally comes down to how good an actor one is, irrespective of his family background. Sure, having filmy family background helps one in getting movies easily, but then what? If the audience doesn't like the actor, he will be left without movies later. So, in the end, it is us, the audience, who have the power. So, amidst this nepotism debate, here are some actors who cannot be called as undeserving. I have not included names of legendary actors like Rishi Kapoor, Shashi Kapoor, Sanjay Dutt, and others, as this video mainly includes modern day actors. So, the first actor is Hrithik Roshan. Being named amongst the most handsome man in the world, he certainly is the smartest and coolest actor in industry right now. To add to this, he is a great dancer too. But he is not all about his looks, as he can act and act good as he showed in movies like Super 30. Son of an actor director Rakesh Roshan, he can't be termed as a nepo kid. He is hardworking as you can see through his transformations in Super 30 and War. The second actor is Abhay Deol. He is not a star kid but has his relations in Bollywood. Nephew of legendary actor Dharmender, Abhay Deol made his debut with film Socha Na Tha, directed by Imtiaz Ali and produced by Dharmender. His notable works include Devdi and Manorama 6 Feet Under. He is also giving strong performances on digital platform with his latest science fiction web series JL50 and movies like Chopsticks and Line of Descent. The third actor is Akshay Khanna, son of the famous and one of the most handsome actor of his era Vinod Khanna. Akshay Khanna is a talent we all need but don't deserve. Doing Border as one of the early films, Akshay Khanna was set for a big career with Dil Chahta Hai coming in 2001. He starred in many movies at that time, but right now he is not getting what he deserves, even after giving strong performances in movies like Section 375 and Ittefaq. And man, he is a dashingly handsome hero. The fourth actor is Ranbir Kapoor. Belonging to the Kapoor family, Ranbir Kapoor is one of the many Kapoors. Forget having someone from filmy background, he has his whole family in movies. But that does not take away the fact of how good an actor he is. He has consistently proved his acting skills with movies like Sanju, Wake Up Sid, Rajniti, and many more. He also has some interesting upcoming movies in his kitty like Brahmastra and Animal. The fifth actor is Shahid Kapoor. Who would have thought that this chocolatey boy would be doing movies like Heather, Urta Punjab, and Kabir Singh? Having Pankaj Kapoor as his father and Neelima Azim as his mother, Shahid Kapoor started his career as a background dancer in movies like Tal and Dil To Pagal Hai. That's why, apart from his acting, he can dance pretty well too. He's got some interesting upcoming projects too. The sixth actor is Farhan Akhtar. Son of famous lyricist and story writer Javed Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar started his mainstream career with 2001 cult film Dil Chahta Hai as a writer and director. He is multi-talented just like his father, as he is an actor, director, screenwriter, playback singer, and producer all in one. His best role as an actor came in Bhag Milkha Bhag, and now he is gearing up for his next sports drama movie, Tufan, directed by Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, which is getting us all excited as the music director of this movie is the trio of Shankar Ehsaan Loy, same as Bhag Milkha Bhag. The seventh actor is Abhishek Bachchan. If this video had been made a year back, I wouldn't have included the name of Abhishek Bachchan, even though I liked his roles in movies like Ravan, Bol Bachchan, and Dostana. But recently, his role in Ludo compelled me to include his name in this list. He is not an acting god, but he always strives to give his 100% in a film. The eighth actor is Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi would have had a stellar career if not for his involvement in matters which did not concern him much. Son of actor Suresh Oberoi, Vivek Oberoi made his debut with 2002 film Company, which got him two filmfares. He again showed his acting brilliance in movies like Shootout at Lokhandwala and Omkara. He is also a part of the trio of Indra Kumar's Masti trilogy. The last actor is Neil Nitin Mukesh, named by Lata Mangeshkar after Neil Armstrong, the man who landed on moon first. Neil Nitin Mukesh is the son of Nitin Mukesh and grandson of Mukesh. Getting joked on carrying three names in one name, Neil Nitin Mukesh made his debut with 2007 film Johnny Gaddar as he was looking for a movie with a genre other than romance or drama. Well, that's good to hear. He did not had a terrific career from there, but has some good movies to his credit. So that was the video, guys. If you liked it, do smash that like. Comment down below your favorite actor of this list and your views on nepotism. Subscribe the channel for more related content and do share it with your friends and family. Peace out.